friends, welcome to Kitkat Wonderworld. It's Christmas time, so today I am going to tell the story behind Christmas, the story of the birth of infant Jesus. Before starting the story, if you are visiting this channel for first time, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. So let's begin. 2000 years back, in a small town called Nazareth, there lived a young girl named Mary with her parents. She was going to get married to Joseph, a man of good character. One night, while Mary was sleeping, an angel of God appeared in front of her. Mary was scared and asked, "Who are you?" The angel replied, "Don't be afraid, I am Gabriel. God is very much pleased with you. He sent me to tell you that soon you will have a son. He will be called Jesus. He will be great and will be called the Son of God." Mary was very obedient and said, "May God do with me as He wants to." Gabriel blessed Mary and disappeared. An angel also appeared to Joseph in his sleep and told him to take care of Mary and the child to be born. Mary and Joseph got married. When Mary was carrying full, the Roman Emperor Caesar ordered that all the people to register their names for census. So Mary and Joseph were compelled to travel to Bethlehem to register their names. Bethlehem was so far away from Nazareth. During those days, there were no vehicles to travel. Therefore, Mary sat on a donkey and Joseph walked. The journey took many days. When they reached Bethlehem, all the places were full of people. Joseph knocked the door of every house. He couldn't find a place for them. It was time for Mary to give birth. Finally, Joseph managed to find a place, a small humble stable. Joseph laid some hay as a bed for Mary. That wonderful night, baby Jesus was born. They laid baby Jesus in a manger. The news of Jesus' birth was first given to some shepherds. An angel appeared to them and announced the good news. They were very excited and they ran to the stable to see the Savior. They watched him in wonder. There was a big star shining in the sky. Seeing that star, 3 scholars visited baby Jesus with gifts. Angels sang in the sky happily. Thus we celebrate the birth of Jesus as Christmas. I wish you all a Merry Christmas.